Hello everybody, this is Leo with One Stop Home Services. I want to show you this house that we are doing today. It is a water damage. The owner, she's 94, really nice lady, and when she woke up this morning, she came to the kitchen to get some coffee, and guess what? A lot of water. So she called me, she called One Stop just to see if we can help. And of course we can help. So as you see, there's a lot of water. These cabinets, they're trash, so we just got to get them out. We'll have to replace all the cabinets. We are going to get set up some dehumidifiers in some fans, and then replace the countertops, all cabinets, replace the flooring. We also have some more damage over here, as you can see. So it is a big job. So we're gonna be working on it. We're gonna have our demo team to come in and get it done. So stay tuned.
Ritmo, cintura, rodilla, al piso, va y pasa el limbo. ¡Nos fuimos, pues! Vamos con él. Ritmo, cintura, rodilla, al piso, va.